Yes, Massive and Crew back once again with another video, and today we're going to talk about our Kickstarter project, which kicks off pressing up some of the brain tunes, the brain dat archives. We've got our first release here, Dreading a Ball Head, wicked piece of tune, 24/7. Those of you vinyl collectors should need no intro. I know you guys have been on me for this tune, so check it out, go to Discog, see what you're looking for, and this is the place where you're going to get it from, which is going to be hopefully funded by you guys. Get this off the ground, get it moving. Obviously we want to try and reach about 300 units. I've got the worked out all the costs and expenses and stuff, and yeah, we put various pledges up there to show our gratitude, and it'd be great to see if we can get this thing pressed up. Obviously pressing takes a couple of months, but once you obviously do your pledges and stuff, we will be able to see where we are with this goal. Hopefully this will be a crowdfunding project that actually gets off the ground, a Kickstarter project that actually launches. Thank you very much in advance. Bless. As you can see, we've got loads and loads of dats and music and archives that need to be released, so hopefully we can get all this off the ground and get a monthly release going, crowdfunded by you, the people. Obviously we don't want to risk pressing up stuff unnecessarily, so only the tunes that you guys pledge and vote for will be the ones that get released. Show some love, support the cause, we need your help. Junglist.